Maintaining a sparkling clean swimming pool no longer requires spending thousands of dollars on high-end maintenance equipment or exhausting yourself with manual brushing. By focusing on smart engineering rather than premium price tags, here we have 3 robotic pool cleaners that deliver exceptional value and crystal clear water with the simple click of a button.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Y10 Robotic Pool Cleaner. This compact powerhouse is an exceptional entry-level option designed primarily for flat-bottomed above-ground and smaller in-ground swimming pools. Operating entirely on a rechargeable 5,200 mAh battery, it provides an impressive 90 minutes of continuous cleaning freedom without requiring any external plumbing hookups or power cords. The lightweight design makes handling effortless, weighing only around 6 pounds so you can drop it into the water or pull it out without straining your back. It features an intelligent zigzag path algorithm that optimizes coverage across pool floors up to 1,100 square feet, improving floor coverage efficiency compared to random bouncing models. Equipped with a dual motor setup and a generous 2-liter filter capacity, it easily collects sand, leaves, and small stones. When the battery runs low, its built-in self-parking technology automatically drives the unit right next to the pool wall for quick dry retrieval using a simple hook. On number 2, we have Abnemen Robotic Pool Cleaner. If your pool care routine demands extra marathon runtime and advanced multi-surface flexibility, this heavy-duty budget model offers premium features at a competitive price. Driven by a robust 180-watt motor and a high-capacity 24-volt system, this machine steps up the game by offering full wall climbing capabilities up to a 45-degree incline. It boasts an extraordinary 3-hour operational runtime on a single charge, enabling it to manage expansive swimming pools up to 2,000 square feet with absolute ease. The onboard sonar navigation system maps out non-repetitive cleaning paths, allowing the machine to scrub floors, climb walls, and clean the waterline consistently. It also includes reinforced PVC brushes that actively break up stubborn algae film and fine silt, combined with a massive 4,800-gallon-per-hour filtration capacity. A convenient top-loading filter basket captures large volumes of debris and can be rinsed clean in seconds with a backyard garden hose. On number 3, we have Wybot or One Robotic Pool Cleaner. Engineered for ultimate simplicity and rapid turnaround times, this sleek model focuses on high-velocity suction and rapid recharging cycles. It utilizes an advanced dual-layer filtration design that incorporates a standard microfilter alongside a specialized textured foam layer to capture finer particles, boosting overall debris collection efficiency significantly. The machine delivers a relentless 2,250-gallon-per-hour suction rate that swallows everything from fine wind-blown sand to heavy autumn leaves on flat pool floors, up to 1,000 square feet. A standout feature is its rapid 2.5-hour lithium-ion fast charging capability, allowing you to run multiple cleaning cycles on the same day if your pool experiences heavy traffic. With 4 distinct smart cleaning modes accessible through an intuitive single-button interface, it offers tailored maintenance strategies out of the box. Its clever quick-drain architecture allows water to exit the chassis instantly upon retrieval, keeping the physical lifting weight down to a minimum. So, these are some of the best pool cleaners to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.